Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to reinstall this wire clip and this guide piece on a brew unit. This brew unit is for the CVA 4000 series and the CVA 6000 series. So here is the clip that we're going to go and reinstall into this brew unit. So first I want to pay attention to the orientation of this clip. So this kind of elbow part facing outwards like this, and you slide it over this part right here. Now once it gets over this little part right here, we go inside in between here. So if you look right there, there's a little slot. That's where this part will fit into here, and the other side, this other part will fit into. So gently push this over so you get some more reach like that. And then slide this over, then push this back. You want to get it to wrap around here and there. Kind of get one of them in there first. Try not to bend it too much, because if you bend the spring, it's over. Then you have to replace the whole new brew unit. Check, make sure. So right now one side is in, right here. This side is in and locked in place. And then the other side, gently grab it here and push that down behind. Okay. All right. So now it's in place. And to secure it, use this part and slide this right over. And when you do slide it, make sure that this little cutout right here fits into this groove. So like this, right there. And slide it back. When you slide it back, you hear a snap. And the middle part right here will snap in, right here. And voila, it's fixed. I hope you guys find this video very helpful. If you do, please like and subscribe, share, support, comments, do everything you can. Hit that little bell on it so you get notifications for any new videos I put up. Alright, thank you for checking it out.